We're here at Photonics West 2026 visiting TRIOPTICS, global leader in optical measurement and manufacturing technology. I'm joined by Dr. Patrik Langehanenberg to discuss a major world premiere they're hosting here. Patrik, please walk us through the vision behind this new instrument.
Thank you. So our vision was to solve the human factor in optical manufacturing. Traditionally, surface inspection for scratches and dicks has been a manual, subjective task, and the SurfInspect changes that by providing a fully automated objective evaluation of flat optics and lenses in strict accordance with the dimensional ISO 10110-7 standard. It's about bringing the same level of automation to surface quality measurement that we've already established in centration and MTF testing.
Patrik, manual visual inspection is notoriously subjective. How does the SurfInspect help to make quality assessments consistent?
Well, consistency is exactly where the system excels. By using automated dimensional analysis, the SurfInspect detects and quantifies scratches and dicks with very high reliability. It eliminates the variables associated with human operators, such as experience level or fatigue, ensuring that the evaluation remains the same every single time. This brings a new level of predictability to quality management. And this is particularly important not only across different production shifts, but also to avoid inconsistencies along the production chain, so also with suppliers.
Technically capturing fine defects over a large surface can be time-consuming, not only in visual inspection. How does your optical setup manage to keep cycle times low?
We utilize a specialized optical design with a pretty large field of view and a high depth of field. So by combining this with an intelligent multi-shot measurement sequence and optimized ring illumination, the system captures the entire surface in one comprehensive step. Since no dimensional stitching is required in this setup, we are able to significantly reduce process times.
It sounds like a very sophisticated tool, but how easy is it for the typical production floor operator to actually use?
It's designed for immediate use. So the interface is highly intuitive, requiring very little training. And as you can see here, the specialized illumination makes all scratches and dicks clearly visible while blocking out external light interference. The system analyzes the part in seconds, providing a clear pass-fail result based on the programmed standards.
For manufacturers in high-stakes industries, the data is just as important as the part. How does SurfInspect handle reporting?
The system automatically generates inspection reports in different output formats. Especially compared to visual inspection, this is a great time saver, as the cumbersome documentation in scribbles of the location of the defects is no longer required. This data can be integrated into production and quality KPIs, making factory productivity more transparent. And with its competitive acquisition costs and the elimination of labor-intensive manual steps, SurfInspect offers a significant price-performance advantage for any modern optics facility.
Wow, a streamlined solution for a complex challenge. Patrik, thank you for your introduction to the SurfInspect.
It was a pleasure. So for anyone looking to automate their surface inspection, contact us, and we also invite you to visit our website for more technical details.